In this fun and practical 5 round challenge, Gemini 2.5 का nano banana went head to head with ChatGPT 4 for various print on demand tasks like generating t-shirt designs, improving artwork, analyzing trends, suggesting funny slogans, and writing optimized Amazon listings. Gemini won the first round by generating a creative, well executed camping design faster than ChatGPT. Round 2 was a wash, but Gemini edged ahead again in round 4 by offering more original coffee related slogans. However, ChatGPT dominated in rounds 3 and 5, especially with its insightful skeleton niche analysis and structured SEO friendly Amazon listing output. Overall, Gemini impressed with speed and style, particularly in visual creativity, while ChatGPT showcased its strength in strategic thinking and detailed writing. The final verdict: Gemini wins narrowly on speed and creative flair, but ChatGPT remains a powerhouse for structured tasks. Both tools shine depending on your needs. Do your own research.